Oh, well, I decided to go to Dr. Stamis because I needed to have some pretty extensive dental work done. Unfortunately, I knew that I did not have very good teeth, and I am no stranger to dental pain. I have had root canals done, I've had dry sockets, I've had cavities. And then we were ready to go for the real surgery, and I was amazed. He did use twilight sedation. You asked me that, what's twilight sedation? Well, I didn't really know, and I tried to research it a bit. But one thing that I learned from it, because I did have it both for the implant work and the actual day that they did do the rest of the restoration for my mouth, it's basically you take a pill to make you feel calm the night before, you take another pill in the morning to make you feel even calmer. You come here, and if you're still chatty, then they give you another pill, and then you're not so chatty anymore. And then he does the work. Now, the nice thing about that is you have no side effects. You don't get that groggy feeling later when you wake up. And that's a nice feeling, not to have to deal with the general anesthesia problems that you get with that type of sedation. So I would say, in a heartbeat, I would do it again, and I would recommend it for others. Now, I am amazed at my mouth. I'm amazed at my teeth and my smile. I've always been the type that's supposed to. And now I'm smiling big and loving that I have white teeth and that they're even. And I'm amazed at what he did. He did some very creative work on the bridge that he had to create on this side. He has one of the bridges has a tooth that's I can actually floss underneath. And then there's two teeth together that I can actually get floss in between and go underneath, so I don't have to go totally underneath a full bridge on that side, which is amazing and looks pretty great. I'm very pleased. I absolutely really love my smile. I am amazed. I actually feel this was the best money I ever spent. I actually smile nice and big for everyone now. I love shopping. It has motivated me to really look at myself and start taking better care of myself in other aspects of my life, health-wise, like maybe I should walk a pedometer, doing some yoga, just those healthy things that we all should be doing, but we get caught up in daily life and don't do. So I am very, very extremely happy with my smile.